Work it. Party time now.
Hey, Macarena.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lizzie, favorite bartender. Alright, so today what I have for you guys is this drink that I came up with due to the circumstances that it's kind of crazy out there in the world. So I named it Jumanji Juice. What level are we on? Who knows? We're gonna drink this and forget all about it. Alrighty, so we are gonna go ahead and use a whole ounce of dark rum. A whole ounce of vodka. We're gonna go ahead and put a whole ounce of Melon Liqueur. 3 ounces of orange juice. And 1 ounce of pineapple juice. We are going to go ahead and shake. There you have it, guys! Jumanji juice! Time to get wild.
Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah. Jumanji juice, aka Juju.
It's very light. Oh yeah.
Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it along with my friends. Do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you have any comments or suggestions, do not hesitate to leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to get to it. And what is it? Subscribe so you can join this party. Bye!
Tubular.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, he need an overdose. Alright, I'm pumped up.
What happens when a frog's car gets broken down? Any guess? He gets towed.